Hi guys, let me show you today how you can get the HEIF and HEVC extensions completely for free. As you can see, when you try to open one image that have one of these codecs, you're going to find this right here, that you don't have the HEVC video extension is required or the HEIF. And when you click into download and install now, you're going to see that this costs 99 cents to buy the extensions, something that it should not be. So I'm going to show you how to get it for free. But if instead of clicking automatically in there and you go into the search tab and in here you type HEIF, and if you click in the first one right here, this one is free right here. So you can start to download it. And this one will work completely for free. Now guys, if this option doesn't work for you, what you can do is to download the VLC media player that already come with this codec into it. And anyway, it's one of the best media players that you can have in your PC. So anyway, I would recommend it. To download and install it, you want to click right here where you see download, and this will start in a couple of seconds. If not, you want to click right here. Once it's downloaded, you want to double click into the file right here, select your language, click into next, next, and right here be sure that everything is selected, next, and into the destination folder you can choose or let the default one. Click into install. Now when this is installed, you can run it or not. Now you're going to have .codecs and you're going to be able to open any file with these extensions. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.